Like today, it's rainy. Don't you see the rain all over the place? Today is so rainy. Okay? If you want it to be done rainy, like, if you want to do a fun activity, here's what you can do. Now, in the first place, I'm a D-man. Look at me. Look at this. Look at this. Dude stank a leg. Dude stank a leg. Okay. Wait, I can't think. Hold on. I've got it. Blur vision. I'm a dingbat. Okay, I'm getting serious now. I'm getting super serious. This is what you do. This is what you do. If it's on rainy, 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 rainy. Here's what you do. Beep. Okay. Now, you do this. Jumping jacks, do the second leg. I'm a ninja. Ow! Okay. I'm just done fooling around. So, I'm really new, so I don't know what to do. Is that a rhyme? I'm really new, but I don't know what to do. Why so thin? I need to stop being thin and slim. Can I stop making rap? Why am I so fat? Oh my gosh! How many burritos am I eating? Maybe I don't know what to do on a rainy day. So, okay? So stop. Oh wait, this is what's the video about, huh? Face mascot. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, I need to get down to business. So, what to do on a rainy day? Rainy day. Rainy. Have you ever heard of a rainy day? No, I mean, have you ever heard what to do on a rainy day? Like build a puzzle? It's raining in my house right now. That's unbelievable. Okay, I don't have any advice. Here's some advice. Build a puzzle. Go in the rain. Jump in the pedal. Potholes. Ride your bike and slip off. Ride your skateboard. Go up a ramp, slip, and fall. What else? I don't know what else to do. Like, seriously, I just don't know what else to do, okay? It's too much business. Micah's looking at me. Oh, yeah. So I forgot. I have a camera. Leave me alone. I'm sorry, YouTube. Whoa, football game! It's a football game! Awesome! Okay, you like the football game? Well, what do you call a talent show? Hey, it's me! You can look at me! I do lots of stuff on this YouTube video! And I'm on a stage, and you can see me. That's pretty much why I'm here. Wait, this is not a stage, this is the movie theaters. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Watch TV for a second. What do you call a pig standing onto a pig? A pig. 2 pigs, actually. Now, how about you guys go to the movies with me? It's just simple. Well, see, I'm at the movies. I don't know what else to do. This is so bored. I'm so bored. Oh my gosh, look at this, a snowman outside. Ah! Whoa, it's radical outside. Whoa. What am I doing on a museum picture? I need to get out of this place and see a teddy bear? This. Where am I right now? Where am I? No, I'm not that funny. I'm just new. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm gonna play. Oh! Hi. Really right now I'm just doing stuff. I'm typing on the computer. Okay. Hi. I'm a booking. Just kidding. Oh my gosh. Why do I have... Okay. This really hurts right now. So I think I'm gonna end this. Bye.